Hi guys, this is Dr. Jim Sharps again, and welcome to the IIOM YouTube channel. Hey, I really got some really good news for you. We're going to talk about something that's really going to revolutionize the personalized healthcare industry. It's something that I've been working with for 10 years, and it's something I want to share with you. It's a very powerful analytical tool. And unfortunately, most people are proceeding with their good health based on a lot of guessing. They're guessing what the right diet is, what the right supplements are to take, the right routine. But what if I told you your body has been telling you exactly what it needs all along? So that's what we're going to talk about now. A really powerful personalized tool. And you're going to see a whole new era in the individualized wellness sphere. So this is about individualized health wellness, not just about your whole general terminology. So what I'm going to be talking about is something that you may have heard about. It's been around since, I guess, the 1950s, 1960s, but not really focused on quite a bit, and it's starting to get back in the forefront again. And as I said, I've been working with it for the last 10 years. I just kind of decided that the guessing game isn't working that well. And what this tool is called RBTI. And so what does RBTI stand for? It stands for the Reams Biological Theory of Ionization. And so what is it? It's a science-based tool. It's very mathematically based, which basically tells you what your body chemistry is. And it's so simple. Basically is measuring your urine and saliva. And it tells you how well your body is converting food to energy and how it's handling the minerals that you need to convert for your nerves, your tissues, your organs, your cells, etc. And where the imbalances are kind of hiding out in your body. That's been there all along, but this very powerful analytical tool will help to reveal that for you in a very powerful way. So the first question you might want to ask is, so why does it matter to you? Well, the main reason is it matters to you individually because health is not a one-size-fits-all. And unfortunately, many health professionals, and even myself, before I really focused on this in a very big way, as I said, a little bit more than 10 years ago, we basically use general programs to fit people's health issues. So let me give you an example. In the old days, I would just automatically recommend vitamin C and vitamin D and various other diets just because they were good plant-based whole food diets. But with this chemistry is basically telling you whether or not that diet is working for you as an individual. So they might be good from a health standpoint as hitting the major principles, but it doesn't really individualize it. And what this RBTI does, it takes away the guessing and it helps you to customize the programs based on individual requirements and capacities. And what is primarily focused on is your body to assimilate. It's not what you eat, it's what you assimilate that's important. So the calciums you're taking, the proteins that you're taking, the right kinds of carbohydrates, the right balance, and basically pursuing health, not because it's trending or some real popular people are promoting it and it worked for them and a lot of people, but really making it so it's addressing what your body has been telling you all along. So it essentially, as I said, it's a scientific tool. It's mathematically based. The person who developed, a guy by the name of Carrie A. Reams, was a mathematical genius. And he's the one who put this together basically off of the theory that Einstein came up with, the theory of relativity, E equals mc squared, energy equals mass times the speed of light squared, but applying it to the human body, how the body works. And our body works in the same scientific, physiological, and chemical principles that all life works on, all biological life. And so as I said, he did a lot of research. And in the beginning, actually, a lot of medical doctors promoted what he was doing, and they sought him out because he was so successful. In his particular case, this was, I believe, in around 1971 time frame. He was basically offered 25,000. He worked on 25,000 different cases, a lot of them from medical doctors. 10,000 of them were terminal. So and when I saw that at the end of the year, all of them improved except that something like 4 or 5, I said, this is something I need to know a little bit more about. And that's exactly how powerful this is. I can give you one real life situation that I worked on, and that was a person a few years ago I worked with. I was having migraines for 15 years. Doctors couldn't find the cause. I saw some dietary things that could be contributing to it, maybe heavy metals, this and that and the other thing. But after the RBTI analysis, we found that her mineral ratios were off. And the diet that she had, although it was good, was not the right diet for her at the time. So when we made the corrections, the headaches were gone in a matter of 7 to 10 days. So, the body adjusted when you provided the right diet, the right protocol, and all of those adjustments were made. So you might want to ask, well, what kind of things can it work on? Well, you'll be happy to hear it works on just about everything: chronic fatigue, digestive issues, hormonal issues, nutrient deficiencies, emotional stress, cardiovascular, blood sugar, weight challenges. The way I like to explain it to people, would you rather know the 800 to 8,000 different disease names and conditions, or would you rather know 8 things, which is what natural health is about, those 8 natural laws of health, and being able to apply it in a integrated and comprehensive fashion based on the individual's requirements and capacities. So that's how powerful it is. It works on all of those different issues. And if you do what the numbers are telling you to do, it'll resolve all of those different issues. And based on your age, weight, height, and things of that nature, the context that the numbers are put in, it can take a matter of a few days or a few weeks. And of course, for some advanced issues, it can take a matter of months. But it clearly accelerates and enhances the healing process because now you have a tool that's individualized and you can monitor on a very regular basis. As I said, it's just urine and saliva you're evaluating. And so that's what I wanted to introduce to you. So if you have more questions about this, please let us know. This is one of those things that it will basically show where traditional approaches to natural health and scientific precision come together and bridge to basically empower you to just outrageous health and vitality. What I like to call adding 15 to 30 productive years to your life. So hopefully you found this to be helpful. And if this tool resonates with you, I invite you to learn more about it. You can visit us at iiomonline.org or email us at info@iiomonline.com. We can give you additional information, or you can look at their website where we have a class, a certificate class where you can learn more about this or even become a certified practitioner. So if you like this video, subscribe below and tell us what you liked about it. Tell us other topics you'd like us to talk to you about, and so that we can address your questions, your issues, your challenges, or your thirst for knowledge about natural health in a very powerful way. But remember, you're a unique individual. You're not the general population. So love yourself, love your neighbor, but do it in a way that's very powerful. That's and easy to. The test takes less than 5 minutes, but that you can do for yourself, your friends, family, and associates. So hopefully this has been valuable to you. Many of my clients found it so valuable that they're actually they're changing their careers actually and incorporating this in their practices, developing practices, and not only are they promoting improved health for themselves, but family, friends, associates, and even clients. So with that, I want to wish you health, happiness, and God's richest blessings. Bye for now. God bless.